Glory, ash, silence. One eruption froze a city in time. Pompeii was alive, markets bustling, laughter filling the air. Then, without warning, Mount Vesuvius erupted. In just hours, ash fell like a dark shroud over the city. People ran, but Pompeii was swallowed by fur and stone. Centuries later, archaeologists uncovered a haunting scene, bodies frozen in their last moments, a chilling glimpse of history. Pompeii transformed from ruins into a powerful reminder. Nature doesn't ask for permission before rewriting our story.